Would you look at this fish?
Alright, everybody. The music maker.
Folks, what's up? Kevin Cook here, and I'm on the Pudong side of the river here in beautiful Shanghai. What a beautiful day it is. I've lived in Shanghai for years, but I rarely go to the Pudong side. Most of the fun stuff that you see a lot of the time in these videos is on the Puxi side, over here on the other side of the river. But today, here in Pudong, we're gonna show you what's up. We're gonna show you how to have a great time in Pudong and do it all for $20 a day. Come on.
Hey ladies.
Wow.
来一份特色排骨年糕，还有一碗鸡菜馄饨。Okay. On the Pudong side of the river, when you're exploring Shanghai, you gotta have breakfast to fuel your adventures. So I got kaoju pie, already been drizzled with sauce, and I got Niangao, this glutinous rice cake.
This is just the dankest Chinese food.
Must be dank. What is dank?
Dank, 好吃，好吃的意思。We were talking about this being like a work of modern art, and actually I think they borrowed a lot of the aesthetic here from P.A. Mondrian's style of painting. The geometric colored squares with the intersecting lines.
Oh yeah, I guess on all these ladders is some kind of poetry.
And if you're a traveler like me, you're carrying around a bag all the time. Sometimes it really hurts your back. And oh, my back has been killing me. We were walking down the street and we saw a Chinese traditional medicine store, and I stopped in and they have these little packets for sale. This is 12 RMB, and you can put this on a part of your body that's sore and leave it on there for about 12 hours and it's supposed to help. Check it out. This is my Moxibustion pad. Already feels much better. It's warm. Hopefully after wearing this for the rest of the day, my back feels better.
So we happened upon this Chinese medicine store and we picked up some herbs. This is a mugwort leaf, and we also got some skull caps. So 2 different roots and herbs that you can make tea out of in Chinese medicine and maybe heal some ailments if you have something doing you wrong. So a lucky find.
Here on the Pudong side of the river, I hear there's a restaurant called Yuku, and right now they have a grilled fish festival going on, and I've heard that if you guess the weight of the fish correctly, you get the fish for free. Now, I'm on a budget, so this is perfect for me. So, guys, I say we go upstairs and we check out Yuku right now.
我们现在有一个活动哈，就是您猜中我买单的活动。待会儿您有一次机会，然后待会儿捞鱼的时候，如果您猜的重量和鱼的实际重量一致的话，这条鱼我们是免费送给您的。
免费的。
对啊，免费的。
OK。
但是只有一次机会啊。
我选择它。
它是吧？
对。
好。哎，您看一下，这条鱼多大
？2.5，
确定吗
？2.6。
好，那我让师傅给您称一下，看一下，2.6。恭喜您！恭喜哈，您猜对了哈！
猜对了，
非常幸运哈。哎，你好，你点的鱼来了哈，你点的热辣桑巴青椒鱼哈。
Oh, would you look at this fish? Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. There's nothing else left to do but to dig in. Oh no. Strategically, I ordered some cold noodles There's a little pro tip for you out there if you like to eat spicy food. Order cold noodles and it'll cool your mouth down. And it's now off to the next location. Whoa! Oh my god! What are those? Okay, we're heading to some kind of marketplace. We got a DiDi there. We're all gonna split it, right, guys? Because I want to punch it.
Yeah, we gonna split it.
Right, Tina? We're gonna split it. AA, right?
AA?
Yeah.
这个是母的，你看这个屁股圆圆的、大大的啊，
OK
知道吧 ？OK，
所以这是女的，
这个叫你的啊，
这是男的，
这个叫美男子，美男子跟这个长得不一样，一个屁都不大，一个屁股不大，知道吧？
我知道
啊，你知道了，
所以什么是最好吃的，男的还是女的？
现在都好吃。
都好吃。
我们中国人讲，男女搭配，干活不累，这个吃起来更好吃，知道吗？
We got female crabs. We got male crabs. We got fat ass
You gotta
crabs.
have both genders, you know, you can't be sexist
Yeah, dude.
towards crabs.
We're about to go try some really authentic Shanghainese food, some authentic Pudong food made by a family that's been living in Pudong for decades.
Hosting us for dinner is my friend Ma YuYang and his family. But this isn't just any average gathering. Oh, no. Joining us for dinner are 4 generations of his family, including his 102-year-old great-grandmother. She says she owes her youthful vigor to a few habits that she keeps, including eating lots of vegetables, watching snooker on television, she can name all the world's top players, and playing mahjong, a Chinese game where the first person to remove all the tiles from the board wins. And of course, she smoked us. She won without putting forth any obvious effort. Cleaning up the crabs over here. Whoop. Looks like we're taking the shells off of these beans.
I'm supervising.
Supervising and hydrating.
Really good. Good work with the refrigerator.
And G sound, you know? It's like yeah, 滚影。
这是外国人。
外国人。
哇。
你这么保护身体健康。
你们男的身体健康啊？
哦，我啊，吃水吃素那个，没有小子，我咋吃啊？
明白。
哎，
你这是你们自己放的吗？
哎，哇哦
Look at that. That's awesome.
No wonder he's so ripped.
好不好？好，你做运动做的厉害。
难怪你那么壮，那么厉害。
身体健康。
你看吧。
Exactly.
冬菜、红烧肉加红烧蛋。
好吃吗？
红烧也挺好吃。
对。
What the heck?
我要弄了上面这个英语，弄了对吧？我就是。
哇，会这个。
用啊！
你这呀，你这用。
Oh my god, how sure? How sure? I would eat this for breakfast, this egg and meat at the same time.
Oh yeah.
好不好吃？
啊，我知道了。
好吃。
Okay. Oh man, I'm stuffed. We had a wonderful dinner here at the Ma family household. Also, my back. Check it out, guys. I had the Moxibustion pad on my back. After a day of traveling around, my back feels much better. I can honestly say that the warmth and heat provided from this pad has given me the strength I need to return to my house and go to sleep. So guys, come on, let's go home. Come on, welcome to my home. Well folks, it's been a really fun day exploring Pudong. I'm now back in my apartment. I'm super tired. So now it's time to get some sleep. I had a really fun time today. I hope you did too. And I'll see you next time on Traveling for $20 a Day. Good night.